Oh, okay. Hello, welcome to the chat. Okay, so let me open up chat on my phone really quick. All right, I should probably get some music going in the background. I've not listened to Hollow Knight uh tracks in a while, or not. I've listened to a few genres lately. So we could either play like some Hollow Knight music, some um jungle mixes, I think they're called, deep house mixes. I've listened to a couple of things lately. So yeah, see that in chat and I'll BRB. All right. Well, let's get this show on the road then. I've been procrastinating until now, so finally we can actually get some things going. And Green wants to VC. Awesome. So, okay, let's actually get going. Let's get going on this. Okay. Did I actually? Oh yeah, probably actually. Oh, I forgot. Oh. Hmm. Anyway, let's to actually get no one joining VC. Happens. So there are a few things I have to fix. I made a list. I actually noted a lot of things in here that I might have to fix. There are a few interesting things coming in the update I'm planning for this weekend. First of all, there are going to be some fixes for the new map because the main objective is not really working currently as intended. Like, it could be exploited by the players if they wanted to. Also, it's way too hard. Like, there are way too many boxes that we just kind of rushed in last second, which makes the zombie side way more overpowered than it already was, which, trust me, it already really was OP. um let's see, what else have I noted here. I'm gonna make the UI look better. That's an optional on the side, just in case. Um. Oh yeah, people that get converted into zombies have a bigger cooldown because I changed the zombie code. Um. Map voting different. Yeah, and that's the biggest concern at the moment. The map voting is different for everyone. So let's take it one at a time, I say. I think we might start off with the. We should maybe start with the voting, map voting, considering it's the biggest problem. After that, I think we will take a look over the zombie cooldown problem as well. Another problem, not a problem, but another feature that I want to make in this game is map making kit. It's not going to be anything fancy, but here, let me actually show you. Every single map in the game has a map info with all of these categories, and also has the map script inside the main map. And everything else, hey, I'm going to like be checking for scripts in case people actually make maps, in case thing malicious things in there, but if not, eh. Honestly, I'm excited to see what other people make for this game. There were a lot of maps like being worked on a long time ago that have since been abandoned.
Bro,
Oh no.
Hi, Green.
look
Look,
on
look,
look
look
on.
at my stream real quick.
Where are you? Hold on. Let me check. Oh wait, are you looking directly into? Hold on. Let me get out of my stream as well. Like this. So yeah.
Funny.
After we're done with this, I think we'll be going over for the weaponry update, and when it comes to map, I have a couple of maps noted down to make in my spare time,
Animation.
but like
It's been a while since I've animated an R15. Ooh.
mostly it will be freaking uh freaking people in the community actually making them. Uh, do whatever you want with those. I don't care. They are just floating out there. There are a couple of things that were actually never introduced because I don't know how to script them yet. There are all these guns over here, all these leaderboards that don't work currently because player stats don't save because there are no player stats. That's going to be probably in the public beta update. Lots of things planned. Also, I'm not worried about showing anything in the Explorer scripts related and such because honestly, the game is already dead enough as is, and I don't care if there are any hackers out there trying to steal, trying to hack the game.
Ooh,
Ooh,
spooky hackers.
scary. Okay, so get ready to have your brain blown because you have no idea what any of this is. So first of all, the biggest
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
most people don't know. I
What,
mean,
what do you mean by
what
mind blown?
uh, scripting, Green, scripting,
Huh?
scripting. It hurts your brain.
Not for duper. Maybe.
Yeah, it's good. Morning, holy German wheat. So the first problem, I've kind of like instantly realized it as the bug started to occur. I'm not sure how long it's going to take to fix, though it's how voting is different for everyone, yeah? And the reason for that is because first it goes through all of the players individually and then it assigns random maps. So what I think I have to do is make the order backwards. I will first select the random maps and after that we go through each player and we give them the said map. So how about we actually look into this further? Oh my god, it's gonna be such a headache. And the reason, by the way, why I'm streaming all of this uh, is because I don't want to go mentally insane. So that's why I need social interaction. So yeah, let's get this show on the road, I guess. So what do we got here? Ray B in pairs. This is to get all the players, yeah? Let's put this guy on pause for a second. And you know what? Let's put all of you guys all the way here on pause. All the way here. Local maps is all right. I can put you on pause. You are not needed yet. And you know what? How about I do this right here, put you in here, and then I give you guys all a break. Because you're not needed yet. This whole part that's grayed out right now, it's going to be to actually show to the player the maps. But the what I've not grayed out should theoretically be only for actually selecting the maps. So how about scripting is silly? Yeah, indeed, brother, indeed. Local maps is equal to this. Let's take it back from the beginning. Okay. Okay, so for three values, local random map is one of the random three maps that is inside here in the maps folder. Snowy zone, the volcano, and the tower map. So it will pick random one and then it will remove it from the selection. So no duplication. Um, let's make it local map I. Hold on. How do I want to go about this? Would something like this work? No. I don't think it would. local. Maybe it will. It might work with squiggly bracket. How does this work actually? Not even sure. And I don't even need this actually. Yeah. Okay. So what I'm trying to do here, what I'm thinking of, is make local map and then give the value of I, which will be from 1 to 3, is equal to the random map name. Okay. How would I go and specify that actually? Green, do you have any idea? Good luck on this. Yeah, thanks, man. Let's think here. Um, local random map equals maps are random next integer maps. How did I already run in a block? Damn it. No, I got no idea how to actually do this. I don't even know if it is possible actually. Okay, not okay actually. Um Actually let's do local and let's call it temp for temporary equals map dot I. So this here should be this here. And temp. No, but that wouldn't work either, now would it? Because this is not a standalone value. Yeah, it's actually really. How is this so hard to make work? Because I really cannot make it actually loop 3 times now, can I? Because if I put just map dot I, it's going to error here. Expected identifier. It just took map I. I'm not sure if actually if it will. Let's do print. See out. Thomas. Yeah, no, it's not gonna take it. That's not how it. That's not how it goddamn works. How does goddamn work? Am I stupid? I might be stupid. It's very much one of the possibilities. You'll be stuck on this one for a while. Well, like it's a simple problem, but not an obvious solution somehow. I think. Huh. I was thinking about another thing. Just make uh the workspace here actually have a folder that, or maybe meow. How about I add in maps a folder of values, and inside it I put string values, 3 of them, and make it map 1, map 2, map 3. And this way it's still going to work. I was just wondering if I could do it only with scripting. Um local replicated storage game.replicated storage. I can just delete you. Don't need you anymore. And now I can say here replicated storage dot maps dot values. I could actually just do one of these really quick. Local values, local value folder equals replicated storage dot maps dot values dot values. And now I can write here value folder dot map one dot value equals random map. Okay, bye Miha. Why are there so many of you in VC that are just muted?
Why not?
That is a fair point.
There's nothing to talk about, or we aren't playing with each other, so yeah, just doing our own thing and.
Mm-hmm. Actually, here I'm gonna need a map dot I here dot value, so it will take the appropriate one. It's gonna be random map. Okay, no, this is good progress. I'm happy with this. So we went through all of the maps. We selected the maps. Then the value names are gonna be saved up in here now. So how about now we go through this mockery? Exciting. Um, for A, B in pairs. Okay. I will do this and I will make another for one 3 loop. Add another end here. I think it's needed. Never mind, it's not needed. Okay, well, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna first push these guys up here. Local display map equals frame dot all of that. Okay, dot I. Okay. Local current map. And let me make the current map first. I think I can, yeah, put those out there. Local current map equals value folder dot actually map dot I. Put this one like this, all nice and clean, and then here I can just put frame dot current map. Actually, find weird. Not taking the frame value. Maybe find first child. Current map. Okay, and see here, random map equals maps dot actually find first child current map dot map info dot map image dot texture. Actually, current map isn't. Yeah, current map is okay. No, it's dot value. Okay, let's not forget that. That's very important because it will take value folder dot map, let's say 1, and it will take its value, which will be given up here. Okay. I don't know why I put a U in those. Okay. Well, so far, this ain't looking half bad. Let's. Oh yeah. Let's change you as well. We got some more errors down here. Oh, start game is an error now. Weird. Fine. So local function start game. Nope. Doesn't seem to work. I'm 100% sure this is going to error somewhere, but I'm not sure where. What? What do you want from me? You are used indeed in the function map loading. Why are you having a problem? What? Line 79? Alright, fine. 79. Oh, there's no end to this? No, it's this guy. Or do I need to? No. I don't see the problem here. This ends, this. Oh, you don't end. My bad. Did that fix it? Hells yeah. Okay, I can 110% guarantee that this is not going to work and it's going to throw an error at me, but I just want to see what gives the error. Test it out a little bit, Unbound. Such a great song. Okay, let's see. Unable to assign property value. String expected got instance. Huh? What? It's the very beginning. Hold on. Oh, okay, yeah, fine. I was wondering if I was going to need the dot name or not. I think that's the only problem. Okay. Error. Error time. Okay. Hmm. Interesting. Attempt to call missing method. Find first child of table. Hmm. Okay, let's try something different then. How about instead of find first child, we just put square brackets. Just like that. I am a professional scripter. I feel so good. That's a lie. I want to die.
No.
Cool.
Hello, welcome to the stream. What are you guys working on?
What do you mean?
Playing games.
Oh,
Of course you do.
Yes. I got nothing else to do.
error time.
Working.
No, cool.
Hmm. see, tower map is not a valid member of frame. Okay, I see what the problem is. See how we can fix it. Add button UI. So the error is here. Line 92. Local display map equals frame dot. Okay. Display map needs to be changed here. The display map needs to be map double dot. I think I actually changed that to be the other value, and it was okay at first. Okay, this is already like it's gonna start being a game of trial and error. Time to index nil with map info. What? Oh, yeah, okay. Let's change this to all maps and replace you and you. You and you. For all the other maps, I'm gonna have local maps equals replicated storage dot maps. I'm actually going to move you up here. I'm going to call you maps dot values. Okay. See, this should actually work now. Incredible. I'm so talented. That's a lie.
Cool.
How's Find the Mangoes doing, by the way? Oh, we got one map to load in.
Very good. It's doing very well.
Nice.
Working on sub rounds.
Map info is not a valid member of folder or story.maps. Values. Weird. Hmm. Why is dot values? Why did it get the dot values here? Well, maps.values is the value folder. Value folder map I. It should have taken map 2. Okay, not actually. Let's go here and check the start search UI really quick. Actually, not start UI. Replicate the storage maps values. Map 1 snowy. Map 2 values. Map 3 the volcano. Why did? Huh? Interesting. Interesting bug. Maybe. Oh. Okay, I see what the problem is. It's hilarious.
You did a typo?
The values folder is inside the maps folder, which which means it took it as a map. That's actually hilarious. Okay, let's change.
Yeah, you should probably check something if something doesn't work.
Well, I just moved it and I changed the local value, so it means now it should work. That was actually hilarious. I was wondering.
She is Therma put some.
I put it a
Local
folder
value.
of the map values inside the actual, map area, the map folder. Okay.
So the game
Okay, hold
thinks
on.
that-
Hold on. This might actually work. 1 second. Okay. I tested it with 1 player. Let's make the test, make a 2-player server. Let me change a few values in here really quick. And you know what? Okay, let's see. I'm going to test it out with 2 players. You guys are not going to be able to see that on stream, but don't worry. It's just no one's watching either way.
Yeah, true that. It's true. I'm kind of watching, but not really.
Watch.
Uh,
Okay, I got both players loaded in. Okay, they got enough plentiful time to actually load fully. Yeah, fine. Let's try it. Okay, the voting seems to work. It has a bit of lag to it though. It doesn't like allow you to vote instantly. But
Yeah,
the
it's
voting
fine.
the voting does work.
If it works, it works.
Awesome. Actually, I think I saw some errors in there and I forgot to check them. Whoa. Whoopsies. I'm gonna look into it later. But it overall seems to actually work. Hmm. Workspace RBI versus a vote change that event connect function.
snow is coming. Yay.
Indeed.
It's gonna come to me in a month or 20 days.
What do you mean?
I live in the Nordic. I live in a Nordic
What do you
area.
mean?
You know, Norway. You know how cold it gets. And it's close to the North Pole, so
I need.
I think we're gonna get colder.
I
faster.
heard.
Stop
Wanna
Stop.
know how cold it got last year?
Stop making it weird.
A few times it was minus 20. Wait, what is minus 20 Celsius?
Damn.
Yeah. It's fine. I suffer from cold, yay.
I wonder. I put it out of the. Wakey, wakey, it's time to wake up. One in chat has the name.
Okay.
Dude,
Green,
Just,
that's really unfunny, I'm gonna be honest.
That was really random.
hmm.
Okay. That's weird. Okay, let's look. Huh. Strange. Let's actually close the game. It says we don't need the game on right now.
Okay.
Nah, I don't really develop with other people. I mean, okay, I'm making an exception with Green because like he's a good friend, but like other than that, nah. Okay, let's make the music stop real quick.
Understand what that means, Terma, if you come have a look.
1 second, I'm checking something. Okay, so when one player clicked on the voting, it didn't update, but when the other clicked on the voting, it updated. And I have this error right here. Let's actually, oh, I don't think people can actually see what I'm referring to. You know what, screw it. Display capture, let's go. How's that? Okay, so we have this problem over here. It occurred on line 115. Okay. Server storage dot scripts. Limited to index nil with wait for child. Green, I got a question.
I cancel this.
When it said that attempt to index nil with wait for child, does it mean the value before or after wait the child was nil?
I do not know.
I believe it was after, right? I
Think so. I'm not sure.
pretty sure. Okay, so it says here, wait for child vote amount, that value plus equals 1. Game the starter GUI, that map voting GUI, that frame, find first child, the vote map that value. Mm, um, what seems to be the problem here? Because the thing is, after I clicked on it on the other side as well, the problem seems to get fixed. Like it was a problem until a single specific player actually clicked it. Weird. So map voting UI frame. Okay, now let's look here. Map voting UI frame voted map. It's going to get this voted map dot value. So it's going to search for a specific map. then get the vote amount. Vote amount. Vote amount. Vote amount. And its value, and it will add 1. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do actually to like test it out. First, let's see what Green did. Green says he did something. Hi. What's up? He froze in fear when I approached him.
Cool.
So to test this properly, how about I make the map voting 60 seconds. You know what? Screw it. I'm just making it really long so I can actually test this properly. Because I don't want to touch the map voting for a long time. I want this thing to be done.
Maybe.
Okay.
Okay, here. Let's go to place 2 first. Let's see output. Okay, the output is now working, and here it says yeah. Next nil with wait for child. Is there anything wrong with player 2's player GUI? Map voting GUI frame voted map properties map 2.
Yeah, that's how you put this.
Next nil with wait for child. Map 3, map 1, map 2, map 3. Okay, the value doesn't change. It's still giving error. So let's go to our good friend here, player 1, and try the same thing.
So look at the chat, someone is asking you something. Nah.
Interesting. So it started updating. Does it give any more errors? No, it stopped giving errors. Okay. But
Cool.
why? I might have an idea why. Yeah, yes, I surely do have an idea why. I 100% have an idea as to why. Okay, it's gaming time. It's gaming time now. Don't worry.
No, okay.
So the reason why it's broken is because it goes through all the players and it checks for this value over here and it adds +1. But the people who have not voted yet break it, because if you don't vote it, obviously you will not have a value in there for it to check. So if it goes in there, checks for a value, and doesn't find anything, it's gonna be
So I just
So
confused the.
yeah. So if b.playerGUI map voting GUI frame voted map value equals nil, then and else do that. Oh wait, yeah, add an if. And add a second and here. Dub 2 equals. What's the problem with you? Brackets? No. Big end. No, you're a big end. No.
Two left. Cheese left. No more
Sad.
cheese. We got no more cheese now.
That's
Sad.
saddening.
Yes. We need cheese for pizza. Or lasagna.
You know what? Not x equals y equivalent to. Interesting. So I can do squiggly line equals to signify no. You learn something new every day.
You know?
I didn't know that. That's awesome. Oh,
Have you seen what I've been doing, Tama?
no. Have you been doing animations?
Perhaps.
I love that
Oh.
your first instinct to after instantly hopping into the game was I must animate.
Animation.
I'm gonna be honest, my animations get the job done, okay?
Yeah, they do.
Yes, be good.
Okay, so let's try this now.
Now you're speaking my language.
Nope.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
I got
Mm.
a single
Mm.
thing in the script wrong.
Mm.
Voted
Mm.
map.
Yeah. Yeah.
Abby,
What?
it says gullible on the ceiling.
Cool.
Oh, I mean, wait,
Can I use it as a bowl?
isn't that the default animation, or is
Ah.
it different on your screen?
Can I use it as a bowl?
I'm currently in the middle of reanimating it, basically, making it look better. I've done the other two up here, if you want to have a look.
1 second, 1 second. Let me try this and have my moment of glory and say that finally, after somewhat, it's been 40 minutes. The fuck?
Yeah. You haven't noticed?
No.
Oh.
Okay, the moment of glory is not here. I've not. It doesn't do nothing.
I don't even know what to play.
What do you mean?
Huh?
What?
I'm wondering what's wrong with
Oh.
here.
Magic.
Magic?
It
Magic.
is in the air.
Scripting is magic.
Magic.
I can show you the world.
Spooky magic. Halloween.
Okay, Gabby,
Uh,
calm down.
no.
I know you like Halloween. Calm down.
Kinda.
You must calm down, child.
No.
Weirdo. Why wouldn't it work? It works when all the players vote. But when not everyone votes, it gives an error.
You say because it was because those who didn't vote didn't give any value.
You need to have some sort of countermeasure to the text when a player refuses to vote.
Well,
That
that-
way it just returns blank. So
Well-
then it just continues.
Well, okay. Can you look a second on the stream? Because I want to show you the said countermeasure that apparently doesn't work for some reason.
Let me have a look.
So
Yeah.
if it
You can see me.
it loops through all the players, yeah, and
Yeah.
if one of the players voted map value is nil, is not nil, then it will count. It will go through and check what map the player voted and add +1 to it. But for some,
Try removing the squiggly line and replacing it with another equals.
yeah, no, the squiggly line is like saying not. So if I were to put not here and have to equals,
And right after the two, put in between the two equals and the nil not.
that could work. Okay, let's give it a shot, I guess. There are many ways to actually do this, but yeah. I guess yours would work.
Might work. Who knows?
It should. So let's see if your theory is right. Okay. Or wrong. If I get an error, I'm genuinely gonna be pissed because this does look like the right solution.
Cool.
If you get an error, you're gonna punch a hole through your monitor, and you're gonna scream on stream.
And then my parents are gonna scream at me. It doesn't work. Doesn't. This time I'm not even getting it. Oh, hold on. No, I got a wrong window open. Is this the wrong window? No, this is the right window. Why the hell is it not working?
Miha and David both left. Shame.
Shame.
They did a while ago.
Yeah, I was eating food.
Yeah.
So if I were to vote as the second player again, will it work? This time it doesn't even work if the second player also votes.
True is watching.
Interesting. So this time it doesn't even take the values in the first place, I think. Actually, let's get in the third UI. Map voting UI frame. Map 1, vote amount 0. Map 2, vote amount 0. Map 3, vote amount 0. Somehow, Grain, you seem to have broken it even further.
I'm not a scripter.
That's a
It
fair
makes
point.
sense.
That's a
It
fair
makes
point.
sense. I'm not a scripter. I'm not a scripter.
I did used to go to programming class, but I didn't do that.
Okay, let's try this now. This might work. Hold on.
Pray to
Hold.
God.
I
Holden?
no. I remember
Holden?
Roblox
You got
Studio.
Nolan?
I'm a gnome code, I think it was. Hold your horses.
Gnome?
Home.
Gnome? Gnome?
Home.
Gnome?
Come on, guys. Have you never heard of the guy?
Oh.
What? Ooh.
An instant. No.
Okay, then. Let's see if this method works. I'm going to break my monitor. I swear.
You're taking my advice, I see.
Exactly.
My advice is sound at some points in time.
Yeah.
Other points in time it is not. Like now.
Yeah.
Why is it not working? Oh, why? What if? What if? What if? What if this works now? Hmm.
He turned into a robot.
Oh, my mic. No.
He's a robot!
Is it still a robot?
No.
Oh.
You would just sound like a robot in Discord.
Ah.
It's
What
like
if
trying
it
to-
works now?
I was so hoping that Discord bugged out then again. Robotic ghost!
Motherfuck.
Funny.
I don't get it though. Like, I actually don't get it. What am I doing wrong here?
No clue. Why are you hitting your table?
Who's hitting their table?
That's Gabby. Gabby, can you
No,
please
I
stop
wasn't
fighting
hit-
your table?
I'm not fighting anyone.
I said your table.
I'm not
We know you
fighting.
hate that table, but please calm down.
Okay, being fairs.
Yeah. Why not? Why can't I just hit my table sometimes?
Because you
Upon
have nothing to hit your table. You have
Why not?
no motive.
That was bored, so I hit it.
Hmm.
What else there's? But I can hit that. Not even do that hard.
I don't really understand what the problem here is. Let me hold on. I'm still streaming all the tabs. Let me just not leak my DMs.
Yes, don't leak the DMs about me and you.
No.
About
I was
saying-
I was about to DM Duper.
Oh no.
And in the meanwhile, until bro responds, because he seems to be AFK right now, I'll try to still
He's
figure it
always
out
AFK.
myself.
Emma, he's always AFK.
I don't know, he's in sleep mode right now, not on Do Not Disturb, so he's like really AFK, if you know what I mean.
Being
Sleeping.
idle.
Yeah.
He's always an idle.
Oh.
It's me that's always in Do Not Disturb, Emma.
And it's me that's always on online.
Yep. I'm always on Do Not Disturb because I don't want to constantly get boom from Discord and just be like,
I got used to it.
Same.
I never did, so I just
People
turned it
DM me
off.
way less than you think. Other than you. I always get frustrated when I hear the budding and I see you in my DMs.
I'm just like, hello, Tama. Hello.
Toxic. I was with Toxic at school and I was like showing him something on Discord and uh he shows me I don't have like notification sounds on, but he sees like I got a ping and then he looks and he sees you send me a DM telling me hello and he's like, oh, and he says it was sent that the minute he read it and he's like, oh, he messaged you right now. And then I low-key I went to our DM, I went to the search and I put it in hello and I just showed him how many hellos you send me.
I'm a very communicative man.
You're
I used to
close.
say hello.
You're close to
Yeah.
700.
You also say hello to me sometimes.
Let's aim for 1,000.
You're close to 700, and you send me. Your average is about 4 per day. I know statistics about how many times you say hello to me.
He only said 6 times to me. Cool.
You're not Tama.
Yes, I know that.
You're Gabby.
Hey, someone. What? What?
Okay. This is like one of the only things I'll actually still try. It seems like an okay fix, possibly. Man, I'm so glad my PC is powerful enough to actually run 2 instances of Roblox at the same time now.
Cool.
Thank God. You do not want to know what pain it was to actually test out features, even in like a single instance of Roblox opened on my mom's laptop while I was in Spain.
Laptop will fall.
Explode.
Still doesn't work. Still doesn't work. You fucker. You fucker.
Calm down, Tama. Calm down. The machine. Calm down.
Why won't you work, you fucker?
Calm
Calm down. I know you
Calm
want to put
down.
your monitor in, but it has no correlation with scripting.
It's your fault, you ones and zeros.
Shit. Yeah.
Hey, Tama.
Yeah.
You wanna see the animation?
Sure. Oh. Okay, what's on the other ones?
No, let me save this one real quick. So I'm gonna have to unanchor these two because I anchored them right after because, well, they were anchored to begin with. This one.
Oh my god. In Zombie 2? Ooh. You know, I actually
haven't done Zombie 3 yet.
I'm gonna go note down that right now actually. Let me note down that I have to fix Zombie 3 for him to actually block bullets.
Bullets, yeah, because like at the moment,
The
it's
shotgun
useless.
the shotgun does block them. He does block them
Yeah,
for the shotgun, but
because the shotgun basically only collides with, you know,
yeah,
objects that
with
have
base
collision on.
parts.
Yeah.
But the shotgun doesn't do that.
I'm gonna continue with smoothing out this animation a bit.
Cool.
I
forgot
what the fuck? I've been stuck at this alone thing for the past 15 minutes, I think.
Hour.
It's 2 lines of code, man. What the fuck?
Tama, it's called magic.
Okay, and you know what? You know what I'm gonna do? Oh my god, I remember. It's been so long since I used this.
It's been so long.
Exactly. I'm going to go to the map voting GUI, voted map, and I'm going to make the value apple sauce.
For a second, I thought you were just going to say Apple, as in the company.
No. If you do you remember the applesauce incidents?
Incident?
The applesauce incident.
What incident?
Basically, back in the very early days of hold on. Actually, let me
What incident?
if it's not applesauce, then do that. Okay. Basically, in the very early days of Zombie Beatdown, when I was just beginning to like start coding the inventory system with the shop to give you items and all of that, uh, I was thinking of a random thing to call the value, so I can like output the value more easily. You know, I could print the value to see if it's the wrong thing. Yeah, and the name I chose, the random thing that came in my head to actually perform the testing was applesauce. 3 days. 3 days I was seeing nothing but applesauce, and oh my god, I fucking did it. I love you, applesauce. Oh, I
Fix
love
the problem?
I love applesauce. I did it. God bless. Oh.
Imagine
Apple.
it fails. Imagine it fails.
Oh my
Imagine-
god. Oh, I feel so good. Oh shit.
God.
Holy shit.
Okay, so now there's 3 animations for this zombie. Hooray.
Yeah, I'm sorry in advance for that.
Right now, there's 2 animations actually.
Yeah, one of them is a
Untitled.
repeat. One of them is a repeat.
Yeah, it's just called Untitled. The other one's the Menacing Stand, which is the idol.
Yeah. I gave them such goofy names.
The calculated war.
The calculator. The
Undead war. He's a runner.
He's a run.
Stealth walk. I think the he's a runner one is the one that stands out the most. Calculated individual.
The menacing stand.
He's watching menacingly. He's just standing there menacingly.
Oh my god. I was not 100% sure if you could actually see the pre-saves. This is why I saved those models specifically, by the way, because those were the ones I
I'm
used.
using Moon Animator. Of course I can see them.
Yeah, but I was not sure if they were client related or if they were, you know,
They save in the rig. Terma.
exactly.
They,
I was not sure if that's what I'm saying. I was not sure if they were locally or rigged. That's why I saved the rigs so I can, you know, edit it later on.
Hey,
You're welcome.
hey,
Hey.
hey.
Applesauce.
No.
I got good news, boys.
I just randomly found it.
It was
Oh,
me.
It's working
did it
perfectly,
on
boys.
Gonna stream
What?
the game.
Oh yeah, actually, should I
Since
also
the issue,
stream it on Discord or just on the actual stream?
Now,
as in playing the game full on, because the issue is now fixed.
Oh, hey man, not yet. We have a lot more to actually do. I have 4 main problems I've noted down that I need fixed until. Actually, how many of them were 100% necessary for the game to actually work? Okay, 2 of them are map bugs. And not really map bugs. One of them is the ladder change on the volcano map, which I told you about. One of them is the boxes change, which I don't think I can elaborate on that one.
Okay, I'm pretty sure I know what the issue with that is.
Let me actually. I want to get the map out and like actually take. No, not tower map. Why did I select tower map? The volcano. Okay, let's actually look in here. Oh my fucking god! It's box galore.
Well, you're the one who pasted them in. I put them in specific spots.
Oh.
You know, and I don't really have like a problem with boxes, but especially like the big boxes that cover like your entire body. Zombies will just hide behind them, camp them, and unless you have the OP sword, there's nothing you can do. Oh wow! I gotta heavily change some of these.
Oh, by the way, Timmer,
Go on.
I am making it so the idol doesn't move the shield as much. That way it stands still.
Mhm.
Yeah.
There, okay, there are so many things that people actually have yet to see. Ah, this map looks so sick. I love how the planks turned out.
Well, Timmer, the only person that you should be thanking is yourself, because those planks, the color tones and all that, are from the moving platforms that you made.
I was like, I couldn't. I was like, I can't make the platforms a single color. I gotta make a variation of them, you know. Oh, holy shit! I cannot forget. I cannot believe I forgot about that.
About what?
Look on the stream a little bit. So,
I don't need to look on the stream. All I have to do. Oh! Oh! I kind of forgot about that too.
You know what? The funny thing is, right before we actually uploaded, I uploaded the game update and all. I saw the blocks and I was like, oh wait, I forgot to remove the placeholder like for the colors because this was supposed to be the color palette for the stone.
Yeah, but then you like pasted the things back in, didn't you?
No, I never deleted them in the first place. I forgot.
Oh. Oh my.
That's hilarious. I'm gonna leave them in now for the meme.
A part of map you can never get to. A.
I'm actually so proud of how this map turned out. Wow. It's beautiful. Honestly, I hope someday.
Earth.
I think what I think the music choice for the volcano map is perfect, and unless key after key wants me to change it, I'm not gonna change it. But
Earth.
for other maps that might arrive in the future, I'm 100% glad if people would want to make music for the game.
Why not ask Uni? I'm sure he might be quite happy to make music for you.
I don't want to bother him. Only if he wants to. Like he comes to me and says,
For
"Hey,
a second, I thought you said barbecue him.
what? Yeah, barbecue him in the lava really quick,
Barbecue?
please."
Yeah, we're getting some toasty Uni up in here.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so there were. Let me look actually.
Hey, don't touch this part. Don't touch my platform. Get off my platform.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
This is my animating platform. You touch it, you die.
I selected the base plate accidentally. My bad.
Fuck shit.
Bucket called you a dumbass.
Who?
Bucket.
Called me.
Looking generally horrific. Oh no. Oh, he said Buck. He is a dumbass. My bad.
He got 4 warnings and he got kicked out of PC Ed Studios. Oh, Papaya is doing a game night.
Oh.
Awesome. Should we go bother him?
Wait, Does Cheese think you need freaking Robux for Moon Animator? Doesn't he know it's free?
Oh, is it free?
Timmer, it's no longer free.
What?
No.
Literally, over the past couple of years now, they've made it cost Robux, and I'm pretty sure it now costs actual money because of Roblox making it so you can now make plugins cost actual money.
Oh.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Well,
That's
I
not very
don't
fun.
have a skill issue.
I got it when it was free. I
Ex-
also got it on alt account when it was free.
Nah.
L plus ratio.
We're just better. It's a skill issue. Okay, let
We're
me
better. We're better.
let me look into the known bugs and all of that. So the voting is
Look at your
fixed.
phone.
W.
Yay.
I'm going to note that down in fixes and eventually make the update log. The volcano map will have to be a whole new thing entirely. We gotta. Are you good with UI?
No. No.
Okay.
Good luck with that.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Okay, and how about so I think in the zombie spawn zombie player UI. Okay, yeah, this guy. I need you out of here. This is the easiest
You.
fix of my life.
Go away.
No, not you. Shut up.
Go away.
Shut up.
Be gone.
Screw you.
Ah.
Scream.
Ah.
Okay, I'm gonna put this attribute here, and it should fix one of another big problem. So you know, Green, how
For a second, I thought I was the problem. It's just like, all right, let's fix the
okay,
problem.
okay, I fixed
All right,
the
Green.
problem. You know, Green.
He's gone. He's been eviscerated.
Okay, guys, let's look in the patch notes. I fixed the problem. You know, Green.
He's gone. He's out of here.
So if you were like on the stream, you were. You know that if you like became a zombie later in the round, the zombie timer to like become zombie 1, zombie 2, blah 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 blah, it would be from the beginning. It would not like
Oh, that's not fun.
it's because the script that actually controls the timer was I accidentally made it activate only when you were a zombie, and I reverted that.
Yippee!
Awesome.
Yay!
Awesome possum.
There's a possum in this game?
Yes.
Where? I want to see it.
Awesome.
One
Where?
second.
You trying to do your impression of a Left 4 Dead clicker?
Look, it's a possum here on your platform. He's dead now.
Nah!
So yeah, that's another problem done. I want to look into another problem as well. So currently, if you look in workspace, you can see there's an empty map folder. Green.
Mm.
Do you see that in workspace there's an empty map folder, right?
Mm.
At the beginning of the game, the map is going to be placed under that folder, and the spawns in the map are going to be placed under the folder as well. So it's not going to be under the map.
Mm.
The reason for that is because I couldn't figure out at the time a way to actually find call the name of the map exactly, because it would be random essentially.
Mm-hmm.
And for some reason, find first descendant is really janky.
Mm-hmm.
But I think I found the problem. I'm going to delete the folder, the map folder, and when I'm going to load the map into the workspace, I'm going to rename the map name to map, if that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Green there, trying to like mind his business and just agreeing with me.
Mm-hmm.
I appreciate your help.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so first things first. Workspace. That map. Destroy. Womp womp. So let's see here. Um
Oh no!
so
Whatever shall I do?
let's take it from the tippity top here. Where is that?
Ah!
This is get spawn locations. Okay. So it's start of the game. Local choose a map. Okay. Where do you? Oh, here. Parent workspace. Workspace dot. I actually chose the map. That name equals.
I find it very funny how the first thing I'm doing.
How's it going? It's going really well, Miha. I just struggled like 20 minutes on a single thing. I want to kill.
It's funny how I immediately started animating as soon as I got into the.
Green is
actual
addicted to
studio.
animations. He should make an animation channel, honestly, by this point.
Cool.
What thing? Map voting, Miha. It took way longer than expected. 15 minutes on 2 lines of code, by the way, just saying, not the whole thing. The whole thing took me an hour. Go on. Yeah.
I'm afraid I was 5 years ahead of you.
You already have one?
I already have a animation channel and it's barren. I stopped animating on it years ago.
Maybe you should begin working on it again.
Ah. It's just Kratos getting up from his chair saying, "No."
I'd watch that.
Emma,
Yes.
the animation.
Let's see what Green cooked up. Let's go.
I'm gonna have to enable toggle loop.
Okay.
Oh, he's twitching, tingling.
The thing is, he actually does bob up and down.
Yeah, and his arms are not moving that much in order to move his shield. Cool.
I see the shield going up and down.
Yeah, but like very slightly.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he's moving up and down a little bit.
And what's the walking?
I haven't done the walking yet. It's only the idle.
Oh. By the way, depending on like how things go, you might want to do sprinting animation as well. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna let you. I'm going to DM you something really quick. 1 second. Not streaming this. Am I?
It better not be. I don't want my DMs to be seen. I don't want them to see the 700. Hello.
Okay, don't say what I wrote to you out loud, by the way.
We're
yeah.
adding oranges?
Oranges?
New
Okay.
consumable?
Shut up. Shut up. Stop spoiling.
We are joined. Yeah.
Okay, let me actually make sure this works here. Let me modify this here. Bap. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. No problems. No problems at all, seems. Actually, I'm going to have to delete you. I'm going to have to modify you really quick so I can actually play the game. Okay, guys. Let's see if everything works out. Also, Green. I was originally back when I was still like full on solo. Have you seen what the next update after this one is going to be? Like the major update?
I mean the question mark one.
No, there's one before it.
Oh, I have not. Let me see.
Wow, everything works perfectly.
Ah, is it weaponry up there?
Yeah.
That revamps plus music, animation, and model improvements. I think we're 5 updates a bit too early.
What?
Because I'm already animating.
Yeah, well, you know, the thing was supposed if I was still a solo dev, but considering you're here now, things are spinning up. By the way, have you looked under the main spawn? What's hidden under there? What treasure I found with these models?
You mean the charcoal that I'm seeing right now under the floor?
Yeah, have a look above it.
Hmm. Hmm. What are these? Are these carrots?
Yeah.
Differently shaped
All-
carrots.
Green, the stream can see this, and also it's visible in game if you just shiplock through the walls.
Yes, I'm aware. That's why I'm calling them differently shaped carrots.
Okay. Well, either way,
Need a carrot gun.
originally, considering the weaponry update, adds guns scripted and animated from scratch by me. I'm going to modify that because you're going to be doing the animation now, I guess.
Oh, what do you mean? What do you mean
Uh,
by that? What do you mean by that?
Well, like, you know, when you shoot a gun, it animates. I mean,
I've never done a gun.
same, but you've shot a gun before.
Yes.
You know, Green, God put it so much effort into animating the guns in real life.
That's one way to put it.
Oh my god. I cannot wait for God to update the game engine.
I can't wait for more realistic reflections and bouncing of the bullets.
I can't wait for more balancing.
Yeah, man. The meta
They need to balance. They need to balance some of those snipers, man. They're not fair.
Yeah.
the
They need to
meta for the past, like, I don't know, 5,000 years, it's been getting really unbalanced, man. When are the next patch notes at?
They need a new area, a large one.
Honestly, if I were not a human, I'd think the human class would need a nerf, but I'm a human and I don't want it nerfed because I'm a human.
I'm not a human, my friend.
Please don't wish upon my downfall. Also, by the way, Green,
Humanity will fall.
come in, come here to the spawn. I forgot the most important thing about the update last weekend.
Yeah, cool.
Watch this. Are you ready?
What am I watching?
Look at the board. Are
It's
you?
a button.
Yeah. Did you see what's at the very right of the board?
No.
Oh.
Watch. I forgot to do this.
A very, very slow transition.
It only took us like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, but we're finally here. Actually, how long? How long has it been since the last Zombie Beatdown update? I'm actually wondering now. Let me check. Update log. Oh, April. Yeah, it's actually been 5 months. Jesus Christ.
April 2009.
Oh, a bit too far back. Also,
Egg hunts turned into the worst egg hunts known to man. I have PTSD from egg hunts.
Oh, cool.
Very.
Green, do you want acorns?
No.
Oh.
okay, so what other changes are needed? Let me check here.
We need to nerf Green.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah. He's too overpowered.
Kinda. I'm just gonna call it care real quick.
Oh no.
Okay. Well, let's see. What other changes are needed? Oh god, the mobile UI has to be updated. Poor Jint, man. Poor Jint.
Scroogent! Suffer!
Suffer as I.
I remember playing on a mobile tablet for the longest of times on Roblox, and Jesus Christ, man.
What are the plans to do now? Okay, so
I want to die.
the only changes left for this next update would probably be first, me and Green have to look a bit further into the volcano map because the current objective we got going on with this ladder, it doesn't work. It can be exploited very easily, and I don't want that. So I'm probably this platform automatically moves down once a set time is reached. Instead, I'm going to move the platform so it's down here, and after you get the amount of objectives, I'm probably going to change it to like batteries or something else. I'm not leaving it logs. Oh, you know what? It would work, Green. Uh,
Bad, bad,
I
bad,
I think
bad,
I think they are. Anyway, I think they are called jerry cans, I believe, right? We can add like a big supply of jerry cans over here and a generator that needs powering.
Burn the zombies.
What?
Burn the zombies. Set them on fire.
Yeah, jerry cans actually would work. Let me note that down. After that, we need to like heavily change the box placements.
You don't say.
This is the thing we kind of rushed last second to like give a little bit of cover to the zombies, and I was doing something else, so I let Green go wild. And I think there's a bit more than a little bit of cover.
I was like, screw it. Give him the entire map.
You should supervise Green sometimes. Not letting go.
I was rushing the update. It was already getting late.
Okay.
Other than that, what else we? Ah, shit! I forgot about this part. Fuck. I gotta find out how to somehow make an objective UI so that players will understand more easily that they have to do crap.
There's a joke in that sentence.
Kill yourself.
What do we have to do, Turma?
Add an objectives UI.
And what after that?
Kill yourself. Change to. Am I allowed to say KYS on YouTube? I should probably stop doing that. Huh.
Yeah, you should probably stop doing that.
Yeah, you should probably stop doing that.
Yeah, I should probably keep it only in TF2.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good to know.
Yeah, Ronnie.
Oh yeah, when new weapon gonna be released? Oh, new weapon in Zombie Beatdown, you mean? Because if so, I have the perfect answer for you. Yes.
Cheap.
Nah, it's not Chip, it's Moron.
Can we rename him to Stupid Idiot Moron, please?
Just
Honestly, only Moron is fine, but honestly, stop calling yourself that, man.
Don't
Have you seen
be
the
like,
Dingus update? I've seen it, yeah.
Don't be like that to yourself. Just
Yeah.
Didn't you actually play the Dingus update?
I don't think I've played it since it's been released, but I saw like the original refreshed update, like a separate game, and I played on that a long
Hey
time
Green,
ago.
can I tell you something?
There's this, Miha. We're going to be doing this, okay? You're setting goals to animate by yourself. I got news for that. That was back when I was a solo, and now,
Hi.
yeah, this
Hi.
this guy
Green.
is here.
Hello. Hi, that is me.
Also, by the way,
So,
I
Green, can I
can
tell you something?
I can just enter the rigs and like update the current animations to those, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do that soon. Okay, let me check. Is there anything else on the checklist I need to do?
There may be a little bit of workshopping if they don't animate correctly with the rigs, like making the animations either faster or, longer in
Okay.
terms of how they animate, in terms of speed.
Not gonna lie, Green should teach you how to animate. I made basic animations for the game. Shut up. He just makes them
Tama,
better than me.
I've got some news for you. I've been animating for like 5 years now.
Exactly. See, I'm a beginner. I'm trying to be a jack of all trades here.
You have started from ground zero. You
Okay.
are noob.
Okay, so if I were to make so if I were to like update my checklist over here to everything I have to do, I have to first remake the volcano map objective,
Maybe.
change the boxes on the volcano map,
You're looking at me.
look
Menacing eyes.
look
Menacing
into
eyes.
look into the UI of the game, make it look a little bit better, and overall, like, I don't know, make some changes, especially the mobile UI, because Jint is in pain.
Jim was having I want to talk to your manager moment.
After that, we also have to make an objective UI. It's going to be really fun learning that. Put that in quotations, quotation marks.
It's not going to be fun for you, maybe us.
And after that, let's see. Is there anything else I got noted here that would be needed? Oh yeah, and then there are some other bug fixes, like fixing the riot shield zombie, not actually blocking bullets from the AK, because the AK sucks. And
Suck. It's kind of OP, but
no, sucks like
What
in the
bullets?
script sense because it's a free model.
ah,
And last thing would be to make the map making kit for you guys to actually develop maps better. Other than that, we're set, I think.
maybe. Who knows? I know.
Because I already changed everything. Sell the game to Game Fam.
I would kill GameFam in a heartbeat. I'm telling you that now.
Considering it's my passion project,
Cool.
and if I see this game, if I sell this game and see it get ruined by another company, I'm going to be furious. Because as I said, it's a passion project, so it's not supposed to get anyway. I had a I not had I have a friend. His name is Bloxy.
Had? had a friend?
Have.
I
His
wonder what happened to him.
his name is Bloxy. You might have seen
Did
it.
you do something to him?
You might have seen him in the video of 21. He owned a game called Rob a Convenience Store Simulator.
Oh,
Oh,
I think I
that
know
one.
this. Wasn't it a really popular, like, sort of classic looking game?
Not one. No, it was not really that classic.
And did he sell it
No,
and
like the
another game become
shelves
was
had
it?
the stud, texture.
No.
Oh,
He sold the game to some people, ended up getting scammed out of the game, and the people who took the game from him ended up just like making it a pay to win mess with like heavily monetized crap, and they destroyed the game, honestly, in terms of player counts. They like milked the hell out of it while it still was there.
bruh. Me and Duper are never doing that with Find the Toasties. We're not making
Oh,
it a
shit.
pay to win game.
Yeah, it's and same. Your game is like the same as mine. It's a passion project.
Yeah, but I've constantly seen people saying, you should do this and that with Robux and all that. I'm like, no, thanks. It ruins the point of finding Toasties.
And I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna keep this. I was wondering if I should like make add donations to like the game in the early days. I've decided I'm going to like scrap all of these three. I said this earlier in the stream, but I'm saying it again. The donation leaderboard, the recent donations, and the actual leaderboards with like stats are going to be like delayed all the way back until public beta, because that's when I'm going to try to learn how to make it so the game remembers your stats and all of that.
Okay.
But yeah. I think that's
The best
all.
way to do that is with data stores, Tama.
Yeah, I need to learn data stores. But yeah.
Duper struggled with those for quite a long while, and then once he finally started taking it more seriously, he actually found it easy to do.
Not gonna lie though, after like I'm done with this small update, this is supposed to be like a small patch update, and then I'm not sure if you Green is like tagging along only if he wants to. I'm not forcing him or anything. But like
I'm along for the ride.
I'm already going to start on the weaponry updates like after the next small patch.
This might stop. I don't know.
So yeah, I want to make more for this game. And I already have like ideas. I'm starting to like get ideas and like note them down, and like
Brainwave.
things are there. Things are going on.
Your brain is braining.
Exactly. So yeah, I think this is gonna be a good end to the stream. I don't think there's anything else I do want to do right now on stream, and also I have to go sleep. So yeah.
Bye bye.
Have a good day, everyone.